Yo, what's up, everyone? My name is Andrew Warren, and as you can see, we had an absolutely insane stock market day. There's just no other word to describe it. When my portfolio grows 5.35% in total, that is over $3,000. It's about $3,500. That is a very, very good stock market day. And I honestly, my sleep schedule is so out of whack with this whole situation currently that I just woke up and I thought, okay, Tesla jumped up a ton. That's probably why my whole portfolio was up. But now I just realized that even VOO jumped 3% today. And I did see some news like as soon as I hopped on about like more talks of stimulus or the Fed pumping in more money. And as you can see, Tesla beat their estimates for the quarterly revenue and it jumped 13.64%, which is absolutely crazy. I mean, I just don't even know what to say about that. Like, I obviously expected it. I knew Tesla would do well today, just like if you know who solving the money problem is, Stephen Mark Ryan. I noticed on Twitter where he posted a tweet where it was going to be good news, and he was exactly right. That was also what I was expecting as well, just because I knew it was coming, and I definitely realized that Tesla would be hitting a high point. And as you can see, we are finally positive for Tesla, but we'll go back and talk about the general market just right now, and then we'll go and cover everything one by one. But I will say, I'll take a day like today for sure. Let's see how far we're up for the all-time. We're up 7.64% now, or $4,800. And I've got to admit, I'm a little tempted. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna say that. Never mind. I would say like people have been telling me why don't I cash out on Tesla when I'm near the price that I bought in at. But the problem with that is if you're trying to short Tesla, and I've tried it before, at least with my experience, I cannot short Tesla very well. So I would rather just invest in a good quality company and not try to short it because I have faith in it long term. I have faith that it will be a multi-$1,000 stock. And plus, you have to remember the rule that you can't really predict the market consistently. So it may look like the market is going to crash and that Tesla's going to drop again in the future, but we don't know that for sure, and Tesla could just keep on going, and then it will never hit under 875 again, and then you've just missed out on some quality growth. So that is my mindset behind that. But with this whole stock market surge today, I will say I was very surprised to see that happen. And by the way, with yesterday's video, I did not get to do it just because some stuff got in the way that I had no control over, and it just didn't give me time to do it. And some stuff was going on to where even if I was going to try to record, the sound from everything would just go over the mic, and I still wouldn't be able to do a commentary. There would be so much background noise. So I couldn't do that yesterday, but I did want to get you guys back with another video today. And trust me, I don't mind showing my lost days as well. I think those are just as interesting because everybody doesn't want to show their losses, but I think it's interesting for me to show that because it's one of those things that a lot of people don't like to cover. They only like to cover the successful parts. But anyways, I just wanted to mention a few things about yesterday, talk about the market a little bit today. I still have no idea whether a recession or another stock market crash is going to occur. It feels like we are on thin ice right now with this big peak. We're almost like a little bit near February 14th. Yeah, we're close to February 14th mark, 69,000. So I feel like we are on some thin ice, and I do kind of worry a little bit about the market considering it jumped up so much today. But I'm pretty sure all of these positive market moves definitely go along with them reopening all of the states out there. So as we are seeing some good news, you can see how it really affects the stock market. So honestly, my opinion for the future is I have no idea. I really hope that there's not another crash or recession, but I feel like it is possible, and I'm being cautious still right now. I'm not buying any more stocks just because I really don't want to buy at the peak and then it crash all of a sudden. So I'm just being a little bit safe right now. But to cover each individual stock that I own, we have VOO today, which was a nice 3.29% gain. And as you can see, it's pretty much steady from 9 a.m. until the end of the day, until 6 p.m. positive. So that's a nice $1,000 gain. And as you can see, we are only down 6.57% in total with VOO. That is $2,200. I think this is the closest I've been since that initial crash to the bottom. So I'm pretty happy about finally breaking even on VOO. And then with Microsoft, this went crazy today. 6.83%, which was a nice $1,124 gain. and that is a total of 14% in gains so far, which is $2,100. As you can see, it pretty much went steady up from the beginning of the day to the end, and then in after hours it spiked up a little bit and then it leveled back down just a little bit more. But it is past the $180 mark. I think it's past fair value maybe. Well, it's very close to fair value. Fair value is 185. So Microsoft is starting to look a little bit overvalued, honestly. But if the market wants to do what it wants to do, I'll take it. I'll take the gains for sure. Then we have Apple, which went up 4.7%. I think I'm positive in total on that now, which is awesome. Yeah, as you can see, 4.7%, which is a $550 gain, and now we are in the positive at 2% or $240. So Apple is positive now. It started off pretty low, went up high, dropped just a little bit for a while, and then kept going up really consistently, actually, ever since this mark. And so that's pretty nice. And then finally we have Tesla, which is the most interesting one out here. As you can see, it started out, I think pretty much everybody in the market knew that Tesla would be increasing today. Holy crap, okay, that was a different graph. So it started out pretty near baseline at 9 a.m., stayed there until after hours, and then it shot up like a SpaceX rocket at this 410 marker up until 435, and then we had a little bit more volatility, and it still went up even more right here. So as you can see, Tesla beat earnings, and it went from basically $796 to $872 in one day. This is a year's worth of growth for some of the stocks out there in one day for Tesla. This is insane. And I've been preaching Tesla to everyone out there that doubts the stock. I believe in this. It may drop in the future, but it's going to have no problem coming back up to that mark. And a lot of people out there were saying $950 when it hit that peak of $950. That it's going to be like that one car company out there that hit a peak and then never got to it again. But I think Tesla's easily going to reach that again. But that is simply just my opinion. But as you can see, we are now positive with Tesla. Gained $828 today, and we're $488 over the baseline at 7.52% gains, which is incredible. I love it. I love to see it. But once again, my stocks are proving themselves. I've been telling you all about these stocks and the stocks that I like, and I've had a few people that disagree with me, which is okay. But I'm just happy that my numbers are showing it, you know. But anyways, a nice 5.33% gain today. Just wanted to share this video with you all. And if you did enjoy it, if you like these updates, please make sure to drop a like on the video. Smash that like button. And if you'd like to start investing, feel free to use my referral links for Robinhood and Webull. If you do, we'll both get a free stock, which is pretty awesome. But anyways, I hope you all enjoy this portfolio update. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week.